Searching for a job? Try this. As a job seeker, it's very challenging to find the right job in this market. When applying for any position, you need to avoid a few things and enhance some techniques to reach your goal. Do not ignore job roles and responsibilities. Alter your resume to best fit each position. Keep practicing by sending an updated CV with every application, ensuring that most of the required skills are included for better screening and shortlisting. As recruiters, we screen candidates based on their projects, roles and responsibilities, education, location, budget, and candidate expectations. Do not rely solely on job portals. Most jobs are filled through referrals or networking. Try to build your network with hiring managers, decision makers, attend corporate events, and connect through various platforms. Do not just apply to every job that comes your way. This will likely result in no shortlisting or interviews and can lead to frustration. It's better to review the requirements and your eligibility before sending your CV. Additionally, do proper research on the company and its culture through various platforms. This will help you customize your application accordingly. Your resume needs to be properly formatted, and you should check for any grammatical or typing errors before processing. Also, please note that it should be professionally written and converted into PDF format. Do not neglect communication skills. Please remember that your hard skills showcase your technical strengths, while soft skills reflect your professional personality. With technological updates, you also need to highlight your soft skills, such as communication, leadership, and adaptability to culture in your CV and during interviews. Do not miss out on regularly updating your skills and achievements on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Naukri, as well as Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to follow up for interview feedback with the respective HR and hiring managers. A polite follow-up after the interview showcases your professionalism and interest in the opportunity. Sending a simple thank you email can leave a lasting impression and may be a deciding factor. Please understand that the recruitment life cycle is a lengthy process, and job searching can be challenging. Interview rejections are part of the journey, but don't give up too soon. You need to take positive lessons from the interview process to improve and stay motivated for the next opportunity. The right opportunity will come along for sure. Wishing you all the best. Please reach out to Vikrant at iglobal.com. Remember to like, comment, and share this video to help spread the word and connect others with this fantastic job opportunity. Click the link to explore more on our job channel. Your future starts here. Apply today. Job channel URL mentioned in the description.